I've been really loving the zero sugar coffee mate. Some blueberry. A messy bottle because I've been using it. Blueberry syrup. Good morning. I have lots of coffee machines. I have an espresso, I have a French press, I have pour overs, but there is nothing like when you know you're gonna have a long day and you need the coffee to be made practically immediately without having to do anything when you wake up. I love having a small drip coffee. Gourmia sent me this 5-cup machine, and I have been wanting one so bad that can do an automatic start, but also it keeps it warm for I think 4 hours. I think it's 4 hours. It keeps it hot for 4 hours and then it turns off. I need the automatic turn off because otherwise I forget. The ADHD in me takes over and I forget. Right now we're at 5 minutes. It's like halfway done. I'm gonna heat up some coffee cake that I made and have that for breakfast. I've been eating the center because the center is good and the outside is a little burnt, but it's still good. But I've been eating the center. Yum. Let's go and sit in the living room and watch a little YouTube, eat my coffee cake, and drink my coffee.